What if the future of our energy didn't have to be mined, but could just grow on trees? We seriously need better ways to store energy, ones that are powerful, sustainable, and actually affordable. And believe it or not, the answer might be hiding inside the most common material on Earth. We need devices that are cost-effective, eco-friendly, flexible, and of course, renewable. That's a tall order. Okay, let's get into it. The hero of this story is something called lignocellulose. It's basically what gives wood its strength, and it's made up of 3 key parts. And out of those, cellulose is the star player, making up almost half of all wood. You can see why it's a near-perfect starting point for building some pretty cool new devices. But, right, there's a big catch. On its own, wood doesn't conduct electricity. At all. So meet its power-up partner, electronically conducting polymers. Think of them as plastics that act like wires. Now, some polymers hold a charge better than others. Pani, for example, is a real standout here. And that's the whole point, right? To create powerful electronics that are green from start to finish. So how do you actually make one? Well, it's a pretty neat 3-step process. Scientists use clever methods to basically paint this conductive polymer layer right onto simple paper. And the result is this super lightweight, flexible material that can actually power something like an LED. Just how good is it? One composite hit, an amazing 882 farads per gram. That's huge. And get this, they still work perfectly even when bent in half. Just imagine that for wearable tech. So, what does this all mean? The key to our green tech future might literally be all around us. It opens up a wild possibility. Electronics you could just toss in your compost bin when you're done.